How to install no-drill flat-fold Roman shade. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. First, position the left end of the headrail firmly against the left inside edge of the window frame. Press and hold the spring-loaded end on the right side. Fit the right end of the headrail into the right inside edge of the window frame. Adjust the shade until it sits level and flush against the frame. Once positioned, insert the included black wrench into the small hole on the right end of the headrail. Turn the wrench clockwise to secure the shade in place. That's it! Your no-drill flat-fold Roman shade is successfully installed.